Hello students, this is Shruti. Today I am going to start your chapter 2nd of civics. Your chapter is diversity and discrimination. This is very interesting chapter and you have read about diversity in the chapter 1st of civics. Okay, let's start your chapter. You can see in this picture diversity very well. Okay, there is male and female, both are gathering together, and you can see differences between dresses and also physical ability. There is so many difference you can see in this picture. Okay, let's start your first topic. Your topic is differences and prejudice. Okay, let's start. You can get what is difference. What is differences? There is so many differences between living style. Okay, you can see differences between living style and languages. Languages also, all peoples have their different language. Okay, you can see the wearing dresses. There is so differences between dresses. Okay, game also difference. Okay, next will be the celebration style. Festivals, you can take example of festivals. Okay, I have discussed these words, whatever tells about the differences between one person to another person. Okay, you can also take the difference between the religions. Okay, religions also differences. Religions also create difference. Okay, you can understand now what is difference. Okay, if we talk about languages, so you can find there is 1600 languages exist in India only. Okay, India also exists 1600 languages. Okay, that are pupils' mother tongue. Okay, we have more than 1600 languages that are pupils' mother tongue. Okay, mother tongue. Okay, in all that things you can find diversity. Okay, in all that things you can find diversity also. Diversity means vibhinta. You can say in Hindi vibhinta, alag alag. Okay, next one is prejudice. That means to judge other people negatively. Okay, when you judge other people negatively is called prejudice. Okay, that means you have judged to speak that language is best to speak. Okay, you have judged that. Okay, next take some other example. If you take English is the best language. Okay, and other languages are not important. Okay, that means you have judged these other languages negatively. Okay, now you have judged other languages negatively, like Bengali is bad language. Okay, you have judged Punjabi is bad languages. Okay, Hindi is bad languages. You have judged that, but is not should be just that other languages should be bad. No, all languages should be equal. Okay. Now, what is prejudice? That means you have judged in your mind other pupils negatively. When you judged in your mind, you have judged. Okay, that is prejudice. Okay. Next one is creating stereotypes. Okay, that creating stereotype, that means where you have set it in your minds what should be do to be a male and what should be do to be a female. Okay, when you think as a girl you should other things, and when you should be a male you should that things. I'll discuss with you what all that things. Okay, let's start. There is 2 sections in your book. You can see on the page number. Okay, girls and boys, 2 sections are here. Okay, you can see all those points and you will have to arrange according to girls and according to boys. Okay, what should do as a girl and what should do as a boy. Okay, you also know that. Okay, let's now start. Okay, they are well behaved. Who are well behaved? So you can say that girls are well behaved. Now, okay, they are soft spoken and gentle. Who is soft spoken and gentle? Boys are should be soft spoken and gentle. Next is they are physically strong. Who is physically strong? Boys are physically strong. Okay. Third is they are naughty. Who is naughty? Boys are naughty always. Okay. All these things we have prejudged in our mind. Okay. Next is they don't cry. Who don't cry? Girls are don't cry. Yeah, boys are don't cry. So you will take the boys are don't cry. Boys are not crying always. Okay. Next one is they are good at sport. Who is good at sport? Boys are good in always. Okay, they are sporting well. Okay, they are good at cooking. Who is good at cooking? Girls are good at cooking. Next is they are emotional. Who is emotional? Girls are emotional and boys are behaving hardly. Okay, so there is difference between boys and girls. Whatever these things we have prejudice. Okay, we have prejudice in our mind. Okay, we have prejudice in our mind. Okay, she is girl and he is boy. Okay, that is prejudice. Okay, now you have to do yourself all these things. Okay, next topic I'll discuss in the next video. That will be part 2 video. Okay, then stay home, stay safe, take care.